Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all backup methods on Realme 16 Pro 5G. Alright, so let's begin. We need to open up our settings. Once we are here, we need to scroll down until we find System and Update. Now click on Backup and Reset. And let's begin with Backup and Migrate, the option that is above. We have the local backup and also the clone phone. And when it comes to the clone phone, I don't know why, maybe it's because I'm using a wrong device, because I think that it only works with certain phones only. Because when I'm trying to download the clone phone on my previous phone, I mean on the phone that I would like to copy data to, because as you take a look in here, we have two options. We have possibility to send the data and also to receive the data, but I don't know why. In my case, when I'm downloading the clone phone on my other phone, the only option that I have in this app is sending the data. I cannot receive it, so that is why this option won't work for me. But don't worry, we have other options for the backup. We have the local backup, just like I was saying before. Just to create it, just click on New Backup. Now select the data that you want to save. First it needs to load, of course. In my case, I want everything except my apps. So I will unselect that. Boom. And now to start the process, simply hit the button down below. When it comes to the local backup, we need to remember about one thing. The thing is that when we reset our phone, we'll also lose the backup because it's stored in the internal storage of our phone. So now let me show you how you can copy it into your computer so it will be stored safely. So even after the reset of the whole phone, you'll be able to restore it later. Okay, to do it, to copy that backup, in here we have a quick tutorial. And now I will launch my computer and I'll show you how to do it step by step. Okay, now we need to have an USB-C cable that is connected into our computer or laptop. It's up to you. So now connect your phone into your computer, just like that. And now open up the notification bar, click on charging this device via USB, and it's important that you need to select file transfer / Android Auto. Now on your computer, open up the file explorer, go into this PC, find your Realme, double click on internal shared storage, find the Android folder, now the data, and find the folder backup restore. Double tap on it, find the backup, now click on data, and in here we have our folder with the backup. So we just need to copy it, so we can right click, copy, and I'll paste it on my desktop. Boom. So now our backup will be safely stored on our PC, on my PC. Okay, it appeared right in here. So now everything is stored safely. Let's wait until it's finished. Boom. And okay, that's how you can copy it into your computer. Now let's get back into our phone. I can unplug the cable. I won't be needing it for now, so I can place it next to me. Okay, let's go back. And we also have the Google backup. That's my favorite thing. First, we need to turn it on right in here. Allow for photos and videos and also for your other device data. Remember that you need to be signed in into your Google account, of course, if you want to use it. Our backup will be saved and stored in the cloud. So yeah, photos and videos and other device data must be enabled. And in here we can take a look on our Google account into which we are signed in currently. And it's important that you cannot forget this Google account, because if you want to restore the backup later in the future, you'll have to be signed in into the exact same Google account. Also, make sure that you have some free storage space. Right in here you can see how many space you got left. And now to create a backup, go back and hit this big green button. The process will now begin. So we need to wait. In here, within a few seconds, a small circle should appear. Okay, it's taking longer than I expected. So let's keep waiting. Okay, let me go back because it's taking too long, I think. Or actually, it's still loading, so we cannot cancel the process. So let's keep waiting. Okay, finally. In here, that circle appeared. Let's take a look, and it's slowly fulfilling. Basically, when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. If everything goes fine, we will also see a notification on the bottom of the screen. So I'll see you in a second once the process is finished. Okay, the backup has finished. Also under other device data, we can see that the backup has been created 0 minutes ago. Next to it, we can see the size. So it's confirmation that everything went successfully. Also, we have the backup details down below, and we can see what has been backupped. In my case, it says no data backupped under SMS and MMS messages because simply I don't have any messages on this phone. So that is why it says no data backupped. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.